Are you ready to transform your cooking experience and save precious time in the kitchen? Then you need to see the Instant Pot Duo Plus. This isn't just a pressure cooker. It's a game changer, offering an incredible 9-in-1 functionality that truly simplifies meal prep. Imagine having a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and more, all in one sleek appliance. Perfect for busy weeknights or special dinners. What really sets the Duo Plus apart are its 15 customizable smart programs, taking the guesswork out of cooking your favorite dishes. Whether you're new to Instant Pot or a seasoned chef, simply press a button for perfectly cooked chicken, soup, or even cake. Plus, the high-quality stainless steel inner pot isn't just durable, it's non-stick and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This focus on convenience, versatility, and easy cleanup makes the Instant Pot Duo Plus an indispensable kitchen assistant you'll reach for daily. Ready to upgrade your kitchen and start cooking smarter, not harder? Check out the Amazon link in the description below to grab yours. For anyone looking for the best kitchen appliance in 2025 that delivers incredible meals with minimal effort, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-buy.